Hello, my name is Thomas, and this is what I brought.
Hey. Wait, I'm scared. Yeah, it's chicken Alfredo.
What's the earth? Yes.
I think it's chicken Alfredo. Me too. And it has like that sauce.
Too?
And it has the too. Yeah, I think it's chicken Alfredo.
I brought it because it was like the only thing I had at home because we didn't really got anything. And I like chicken Alfredo, and it was a good food choice for me because I just really enjoy it, and I hope my fellow people here enjoy it as well as me, and that's really all.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. And this is what I bought.
It's so good. Is this wonton?
Is it crab wonton?
Where am I facing? Where is
It has a specific name though.
No, it's that is close. It's like it has sour cream in it, I think. Guys, I don't know.
I
I don't know the name, but like
I don't know the
good.
name.
I like it's like it's crab because she told me it's like crab
eyes.
wonton.
Oh my, these are so good. What's it called? Wait.
Oh,
yeah.
That's what it's called.
I never like I love these. I just never learned the name.
I bought it because my mom taught me how to make it.
Dog's word. Dog's
Do we
word.
have more?
Yeah, right there.
It's good though.
My name is Pal, and this is what I brought.
That's the nail.
Is my drink in front of me?
Wait, I forgot.
Can we get it?
Yes, you guys can eat that.
I think it's papaya.
Yeah, that's good.
He's not even eating it yet.
Where's my
I don't
fork?
like them.
Okay, okay. Let's start off with this one. Oh, wow, she's got it on the back.
It's my right.
This is pretty
This is what I bought.
What is it? Oh, wait. Is it
Okay.
what I think it
Where's
is?
my sword?
But I don't know what to call
This
it.
is so funny to me.
Yeah, I think I know where you bought this
Wait.
from.
What's mine?
Wait, I don't know what to call it, but I know what it is.
I
Do
know
I
what
have
it is
noodles?
too. Am I right
Wait,
about what I
this-
said about it earlier?
I don't know. I don't know. Wait, I don't know what it's called, but I know what it is.
That smells so right. I could spit. I already know that smell.
My eye. Freaking Thomas, bro. He's like, you're.
Oh. Why am I looking like that?
That's why I said you got the ugly voice.
I knew
Because they're ribbed.
I
What's it called?
Noodles.
Oh, okay. The reason why I brought it is because it's something I grew up with. I didn't eat it all the time, but I think it places like a really special like place in my heart because every time I saw it, I'd be so excited to eat it. Like every event, if it's there, I have a plate full of it and I'll just eat it in like one go. Like it's so good, and I honestly grew up with it. I really enjoy it.
Oh, I didn't show the
Healthy.
camera what I brought, but this is what I brought. Kind of looks like, I think it's like the toilet.
Yeah, I know it's not that.
Double check.
Now just open your
Open. Double check if it's lava.
You come in.
Okay, guys. Let me explain. Oh, I didn't put the bag. It's okay. Let me explain why I brought this. I brought this because I always like saw these at family events. They would always give it out at events, like especially like funerals or like weddings. They would give them out in little cups and like have people serve them. And I don't know, it's just something I really grew up with, and I feel like it's a really good start off when introducing people to like Hmong food.
Thank you for watching. We are Youth Voices.